Sis Mars, welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video and content, another unboxing na naman tayo ng isang Android or gaming phone which is Infinix. So this is Infinix Note 50, a gaming phone daw. So I'm not yet sure. Masasagot natin yan of course sa game test natin. So this is 16 GB of RAM with 256 GB of ROM. And the best feature na nakita ko dito is this is sound by JBL. So, alam niyo naman na JBL is known pagdating sa magaganda nilang quality sa speakers. So, this is 5,200 milliamp hour, 6 years of battery. So, quick specification, we have here ultra resilient armor alloy. Ayan, metal frame performance design. 50 megapixel OIS camera. Okay. Ultra stable night camera. Ito, dual speaker tuned by JBL. So, 144 Hz with 6.78 AMOLED. AMOLED display with in-display fingerprint scanner na siya. MediaTek Helio G100, MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate. And this is 16 GB of RAM again, mga Sis Mars. So far, yun lang naman. Later on, explore natin. Or sa full review natin, explore ang full specification ng Android phone na to. So, we have here the Infinix 50. So, balot lang pala yung kanina. Ang kulay talaga ng box niya is silver. As you can see. So, explore natin. So, meron na tayong idea sa camera. Feel ko, ayan yung kanyang camera. Lens. Kya. Alright. And the color that we purchased is burgundy red. Alright. So, this is just a plain aesthetic box. Silver box. Ewan ko kung silver din ba yung box ng iba. Pero, I think yes, of course. Hindi naman nila papalitan niya ng ibang box, color ng box. So, we have here ang tawag dito, accessories or freebie, which is the silicone case from Infinix. Alright. We also have here, a VIP card from Infinix. Nice. Pwede bang i-swipe dito yung pwede bang mag-swipe dito or mag-purchase ng ano. Meron din tayo dito, I don't know what this one. A warranty. Ayan o, warranty card. Okay. And then, ito yung ating case. Alang kit ng case natin, very premium yung design. Ayan o, meron na tayong MagSafe ready, dito, wireless. Later on, check natin yan. Of course, we have here the pin ejector or pin eject tool. Okay. Next is, let's explore the inside inclusion of this phone. Paano nga ba tanggalin ng nito? Medyo mahirap. Ayan, ganyanin na lang natin siya. So, we have here 45 watts charging brick. Okay, as you can see, this is 45 watts charging brick. And we have, naka-box. We have here a Type-C charging cord or Type-C cord. Okay. So far, yun lang naman yung inclusion dito. Let's proceed na checking the phone. So, let me just put that one back and this one also. Okay. Wait lang. So, ganyan na lang natin siya ibabalik. Kasi later on, check din natin siya para i-full review. But let's just explore this one for our quick unboxing. Okay. So, ito yung ating Note 50 Infinix. Ayan. Let's check the phone already. Sa right corner, we have here the power button and also the volume button up and down. Sa left corner, we have the plain aesthetic vibe. Sa bottom part, we have the SIM tray, Type-C charging port, and then the speaker, of course. And then sa upper button, sa upper part, ayan yung ating details, as you can see. Okay. So, this is AMOLED. And we have a punch hole camera in here. So, let's try to check the camera module. Oh, ang ganda pala ng camera nito, no? Ng design. Okay, so we have Infinix brand. And this is burgundy red. As you can see, ito yung ating camera module. Para siyang nakaangat eh, no? Ang ganda ng camera module niya. We have here 3 lens. I know. We only have 2 lens pala. I know. 3 lens pala. I don't know if this one is a lens also. Let's just try later on. But this one is a flash and I don't know. I think this one is just a sensor. Not sure pa ako. Okay. So, let's open this one up. Okay. Infinix. Powered by Android. So, lagyan na natin yung case niya. Ang ganda ng case niya, no? Match na match talaga sa tone ng ating phone. Bam! Ang ganda. So, ang SRP price nito, mga sis Mars, sa Philippines is 9.5. But, nabili po namin to, of course, sa Orange app ng 7.5 lang po. So, if you want to purchase this one, just check the description down below. Or, dyan sa side natin, makikita nyo naman kagad yung ating basket. So, let's just turn off the Wi-Fi, of course, para hindi tayo medyo Okay. So, let's proceed. Sa settings. Okay, my phone. Alright. Okay. May Infinix AI din tayo dito. Storage. Okay. And then, try to check the camera. Point. Front facing. Okay. Oh, may vlog mode din pala sila, oh. Alright. So, yan yung ating camera. So far, yun lang naman yung quick unboxing natin dito sa ating Infinix Note 50. Again, mga sis Mars, we purchased this one amounting of 7,500 sa Orange app. If you want to purchase this one also, just check the description down below. Okay, So, that's it. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account. A.Stories. See you sa ating next unboxing. Bye, yours.